To make a discount in Etsy, start by logging into your Etsy account and going to the Shop Manager section. From there, click on Marketing and then select Sales and Promotions. This is where you can create and manage your discounts. First, click on the New Special Offer button and choose the type of discount you want to create, such as a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or a free shipping offer. Then, enter the details of your discount, including the amount or percentage off and the minimum purchase required to qualify for the discount. Next, set the dates for when the discount will be active, including the start and end dates. You can also choose to make the discount available to everyone or only to specific customers, such as those who have previously made a purchase from your shop. Once you have set up your discount, click on the Review and Publish button to make it live. You can also preview your discount to see how it will look to customers before publishing it. To apply the discount to specific items, go to the Listings section and select the items you want to discount. Then, click on the Edit button and scroll down to the Pricing and Inventory section, where you can apply the discount to the selected items. Best practices for making discounts in Etsy include setting clear and specific terms for your discounts, such as the minimum purchase required and the dates the discount will be active. You should also make sure to promote your discounts through social media and other marketing channels to get the word out to potential customers. Additionally, consider offering loyalty discounts to repeat customers to encourage them to continue shopping with you. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective discounts in Etsy that will help drive sales and grow your business.